Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on Collage HR. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in collage.co and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Collage HR website. Now click on the sign in button at the top right corner and now you will be taken into the login portal. You can click on sign in with Google or the Microsoft options if you used these to create your account in the first place. Otherwise, type in your email address that you used while signing up in the email address box and then type in your account password underneath. You can then click on the login button and you will be logged into your account on Collage HR right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on Forgot Your Password underneath and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on Collage HR. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.